how to reset password in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Roblox password, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to reset your password in Roblox, now you can reset it using the app, but just for the general convenience of the people who are watching this from their laptop, you can also simply choose to open up your browser, go to roblox.com and then go to the login page. Now in case you happen to remember your login information, you can enter them and tap the login option, but in case you forgot your password, which in this case you have, just make sure to select forgot password or username. So if you forgot your password, what you want to do is just make sure to enter the phone number that was associated with it, or you can also use the email to reset it. So all you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address of your Roblox account here and then just tap the submit button. It will send a verification code or verification link to that specific email over here, so you can see an email has been sent to your email address if the email was previously saved on your account. So now I'm going to simply wait until I receive the email from Roblox. Once I receive the email from Roblox, I can just go to this all inboxes section over here. Once I receive the email, most likely I'll be able to tap on the email to reset my Roblox account's password. This way I can reset my Roblox password. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.